Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you a clip taken from 72 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. The clip is focusing on some forex market situations, and I think that they're quite interesting. But there is a message in the long video that I can't share with you. It will be unfair on my paying subscribers. But the message is very serious, very important. And you can have access to this long video if you just give a try to my service. If you want to give a try to my service, I give full details how to go about it after the clip ends. Hope to see you on my website soon. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Danish krona, Australian dollar US dollar, the euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, and then British pound US dollar, British pound Swiss franc, the euro British pound Singapore dollar, British pound Canadian dollar, British pound Taiwanese dollar, British pound Norwegian krona, British pound Chinese yuan. And then gold, silver, palladium, the CRB global index, and then light crude, gas oil traded in London, the US T-bond, TLT, the Dow Transportation Average, the Dow, the S&P 500, the Russell 2000, the DAX, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the FTSE. Okay, that's the pound Taiwanese dollar. I was mentioning the Singapore dollar, very strong currency, and the Taiwanese dollar equally strong. They don't share all the problems. They benefit from the immense growth of China, and you can see I normally don't follow this forex pair, but I went through. I added more charts to my, if you like, my files, the British pound files, and I'll be looking at this from time to time. You can see also that it broke the bottom. We had a new all-time low here, at least on this chart. You can see that is the weekly going back here to July 2007. We had a lengthy triangle, like in the case of the other pairs, yes, and it broke down. This is just the beginning. Take a look at the daily. In the case of the daily, we have a clearer picture here of a possible end to this bounce. I think that the triangle ended here. That is my first leg down. Do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's an ABC. Look at the 60 minutes. In fact, this one is one of the clearest in terms of the very short term. Very short term, what we have seen. Since the pound hit bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks to me complete. If I'm right on that, and it ran fairly high here, do you see? It ran to the 0.5. Yes, 50% retracement. Pretty substantial. So I would imagine now we will go for at least a retracement. I mean, a drop back to 44.80 or so. And we'll see if it comes back in this manner, because I don't think that this is the end of the correction. You can see that the MACD is also suggesting momentum is not there for a lot more upside. So this is saying the rally is close to an end. It's also coming up against a wall of resistance here. Just look at that. So I doubt very much we're going to have continuation this week through that wall. I doubt very much. I think we're going for, at the very least, some pause of this corrective rally. Okay, that's the pound Norwegian krona. And this is also a very strong currency. Norwegian krona, Norway is doing fantastically well with gashing energy resources. They one of the strongest economies in the world currently. The currency deserves to be really classified, in my opinion, as a safe haven currency. I myself investigate ways to channel a bit of my cash into parking it in Norwegian krona, whether I'm going to buy a stock. There is a massively interesting stock, if you're interested, called Seadrill. Seadrill is quoted also in the US. I am investigating whether it is possible to invest through that stock. It's a Norwegian stock, paying very high dividend, and appears to me very, very safe. I read some reports about it. So Seadrill, yes, do some more investigation on that. But concerning our chart here, this is a weekly scale, and that's the pattern that I see. 2000 struck a top here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ended here, or the fourth wave could have ended here, in which case it will be like that. But I think that either way we probably struck a third here. Yes, 1, 2, 3, fourth wave, we're going down. We're going down. In the case of this one, it appears to me that we are in a tiny fourth wave. I'll take you to the daily, and you will see, I think that we start counting from here. That gives me 1, 2, and that's 3. Not terribly clear, but I don't think it's heading towards 9.1 again. No, I'll be surprised if that will take place. It appears to me that there is pretty good barrier. Selling forces will come into action here. So look, we are not very far. In fact, this appears to be complete. Let's go to the 60 minutes. Here, that looks like a classic ABC to me. ABC. That's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Around here, this is coming close to an end. Look at the MACD. The MACD says don't trust further upside, or at least not significant upside. Look at the 240-minute scale. Do I need to say anything? Just look. So you might actually want to consider selling this one. There is a big roof right here, a big roof. So this is an interesting development here. Okay, that's the pound Chinese yuan. Again, interesting chart. Chinese yuan does not need much introduction. It smashes the US dollar regularly. So if the pound is losing ground against the US dollar, what is going to do against the Chinese yuan? Well, you can see this is the weekly going back here to 2002. We get this as a 1, 2, third wave. The crash of 2008, that's third wave. Classic triangle, similar to the one we have seen in quite a few others. Other pairs. A, B, C, D, last leg of the E, also shaping up as an A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, and down we go. Down we go, testing double bottom here, but I think the triangle is behind us. The implication is this is the first leg down. Okay, that's the first leg down, no question in my mind concerning this. But there is a slight question how to subdivide this, and this is not very clear to me. I'm not sure whether this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and that's an extended fifth, yes, or whether I'm supposed to take this as a 1, 2 and that's 3 and that's 4. It's not very clear. But you see, I didn't put labelings here, but all in all, the message is the same. We are in a correction, in a trend that began from this spot, began in early 2013, yes, just when we started 2013, and this trend has a long way to go. The pound is going to lose a lot of value against the Chinese yuan. Okay, that's here presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book. If you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle, go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs a modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is and what sort of, which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list. Highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition, that's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month, yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, Alert Pay, choose which one suits you. And the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many, many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I've also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.